Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video we are going to look at the SpreadEx app, a platform that combines sports betting, spread betting and financial trading. I'll explain what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. SpreadEx is a unique platform because it offers two services in one: sports betting and financial spread trading. On the sports side, you can place fixed odd bets or try spread betting for higher risk and reward. On the financial side, you can trade on markets like forex, indices and shares all in the same app. Now to get started, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. After installing it, open it up and tap on Join Now to create an account. Fill in your personal details and verify your identity. Deposit money into your account using a debit card, bank transfer or e-wallet. Now let's check out the main features. So you can see at the bottom of your page you have the sections of home, offers, in play, sports and more. Browse upcoming fixtures in football, tennis, rugby and many more. Choose between fixed odds. You can also choose right from here, scroll to find more. Then choose between fixed odds betting or spread betting. For fixed odds, select the odds, enter your stake and confirm. For spread betting, decide whether the result will be above or below the spread and stake the point. Switch to the trading section. Choose a market like forex, indices or stock. Place trades by selecting buy or sell and save your stake per point. Use built-in charts and tools for market analysis. Then check the promotion tabs for welcome offers, free bets or trading bonuses. Track your bet, trades and balance in my account section. Set deposit limits, use stop loss tools and enable responsible gaming options. And that is how you can use the SpreadEx app. It is a powerful platform for anyone interested in both sports betting and financial trading. I hope this video helped you out. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.